Number three in a series of how spreadsheets can help us analyze data when we're doing some investigations in statistics. Before we look at the next formula, I want you to have a look here at this column. What web browsers do people use? Now, this person's answered that they use three of them, and yet only one is being shown here. That's because the column's too narrow to display them all. You can see them if we make the column wider. And to do that, take the cursor up and put it on the little dividing bar between the columns, in this case between F and G, and you'll notice that the cursor changes. That click, drag out to the right, and you can see all of the entries in that column now. If we use the COUNTIF command, it will only look for cells, it will only count cells that have that particular term in it, and that's all. So because we're selecting from anything up to 4 or 5 different answers, we have to use the match command. I went through this in class with you, but just to help you and to refresh your memory, if we click in here with the Safari that it's found 67, the formula appears up here. And as always, it starts off with the equals and then match. The brackets, and then in speech marks Safari, or the term that I want to search for in the cells. Don't forget the speech marks to close and then the comma. Next comes the range of cells that we're searching on. In this case, cell F2 through to cell F69, comma, and then all you need to do is put the number 1 in here. 1 means find the largest value or match it exactly. Finally, finish it off with the close brackets, push enter, and you should have your number of Safari users from that particular column.